Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. I'm Easy, your friendly professional makeup artist. I hope you enjoy and you learn a lot. So, if you want to see more of this tutorial, then keep on watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click like, please, and don't forget to click the bell notification for you to be updated on my next tutorial. So, let's begin. I'm using Unclots. So, this is my first time gamitin yung Lux Organics Beauty Mist by Unclots. So, I've already completed the concealer, corrector. So, para mas lalong intact yung makeup, I'm going to spray another layer of setting spray. So, if you do this, if you follow my procedure sa pag-makeup like layering of setting spray, so do tag me and comment kayo kung ano yung naging results. Already set the concealer and everything sa mata niya. And everything talaga. So, I'm going to use Maybelline Super Stay in shade of Natural Beige. Na kung gagamit kayo ng powder foundation, pag oily skin, mas maganda yung merong full coverage foundation na para mas sealed pag nag-oil ang skin ng client mo. For the bronzer, I'm going to use Teviant. This is Sculpt to Bronze in Mykonos. I'm going to use Teviant Diety Dust palette. I'm going to use the brown shade nila. I'm going to use Teviant Blush to Flush palette in Rosette. Going to set it with powder kasi cream yung eyebrow, so I'm going to set with a eyebrow powder. I'm going to add a brow gel, so to keep the hair in place, so I'm using Strokes from Beauty Love. for the eyes, I'm going to use Huda Beauty in Warm Brown Obsessions. So, gagamit lang ako ng ganitong shade to contour her eyes. So, another layer, I'm going to use Teviant Seniorita eyeshadow palette, and I'm combining this is Myalma and Sangria. So, to add a little sparkle sa mata ni bride, so I'm going to use Teviant Horus Multi palette. I'm going to use a combination of This is Moonstone and Herdis. Ayan. To use the eye pencil of Teviant in Doyenne. So I'm going to use the Myalma and the Sangria from Teviant. So I'm going to combine here and this one. I only apply, look down, a very thin, as in sobrang thin lang ng eyeliner para sa kanya. And then for the eyelashes, I'm going to curl her eyelash, and I'm going to use Teviant Mon Cheri Mascara. I'm going to use an Hourglass in Ambient Diffuse Light. MAC Soft and Gentle. Use Teviant in Elizabeth Lipspell. Ito siya, may pagka-warm. Then, I'm going to combine this with the lip liner from MAC, which is Whirl. Do not forget to set your bride's makeup with a setting spray. I've already applied a very thin eyelashes lang, because pag soft smoky eye, I really want to see the eye makeup. And then as you can see, it balances the eyes and then the color of the lips, and then just a hint of blush and highlighter. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial and you learned a lot. So if you want to see more of my videos, then please keep on coming back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification for you to be updated on my next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye!